You're feeling fine after a car accident and you haven't sought medical treatment. Do you still have a personal injury claim to pursue? So one of the first things we advise our clients is before even evaluating your claim, we have to know whether you have suffered an injury and what injuries those are. Oftentimes in a moderate type of accident, and those might be the most common type of accidents. The most common type of accident is a rear end collision, and oftentimes those are moderate. Those aren't just, severe resulting in totaling of the car. But even in those cases, you're still entitled to compensation due to the negligence of the driver who rear-ended you. In fact, in Florida, there is a legal presumption that the person rear-ending you was negligent. So all you have to prove is the amount of your injuries and damages. Even if you haven't sought medical treatment yet after an accident, and that's very common in these moderate accidents where our clients call us. Their car might have been damaged to a certain degree, might have been totaled, but they're like, I feel a little bit sore, but I don't think I need to go to the emergency room. Do I still have a case? The answer is yes. How much your case is worth, I couldn't truthfully tell you at the moment because we don't know the extent of your injuries. We don't know how much your medical bills will be. We don't know how much, if any, lost wages you'll get. We don't know the extent of your pain and suffering. Those are all things that go into the evaluation of a case in addition to how the accident occurred. Again, if it's a rear-end collision, the person that rear-ended you is presumed by law to have been negligent. So reach out to an attorney before talking to an insurance adjuster for the person that rear-ended you to learn what you're entitled to be compensated for. If you have any questions, reach out to us. I will be happy to talk to you. The call is always of no charge. Our consultations are free, and it's better for you to reach out, get the advice from an attorney before talking to an insurance adjuster.